Hello, this is Roost Fans going over our pre-wiring system for our core builds. So our pre-wiring system includes the opportunity to put in a bunk heater underneath the seat, so we run power for that. We also run power for the overhead lighting. Currently the factory lighting has been rerun and is currently illuminated. We run wiring behind the cabinetry points, all 4 points of the vehicle, so that you can put in our standard cabinetry and then run user-controlled lighting underneath the cabinetry. Another thing that we add wiring for is the DC-DC recharging circuit, and we connect it to the factory recharge port. We also put in a AC shore power recharging port as well on the outside of the van, and you can see that here. And so when you get ready for phase 2, then you'll be all set up to connect your cabinetry, your recharging systems, and your electrical systems, and have all the wiring run behind the van. Currently this van is equipped with 2 upper cabinets, a mid-shelf, our standardized mounting system, our 3-panel Fouquet bed system with 2 flip-up kits on the rear, as well as another one on the front. In this van, we went ahead and inset the panels so that we could maximize the sleeping area a little bit more, and we've of course put in bamboo paneling all around the van. So the deck is a great product for a Sprinter. It gives you an awesome platform that stores a lot of weight. You could also use it for a lower bed. These full extension pull-out drawers for all your stuff. Also a couple of ammo crate stores. 2 locking drawers as well. And that, coupled with our Fouquet bed system, allows for a tremendous amount of storage. You can store some larger items here, even put your bike side to side on top of this decked product, and pull the bed down as you need. The customer brought this van back for phase 2, and in this case we installed a few other items in addition to our core build. But focusing on our power panel, we brought all that wiring that we did on our core build down to one spot, and we interconnected it to these controls. We also have a Yeti Goal Zero 1400 installed that we're using to power this. Now, it's not a requirement to have this Yeti Goal Zero. You can power everything using a jumper from your engine battery. In this case, though, we have our shore power coming in, recharging the Yeti, along with our solar recharging, and our engine power recharging the Yeti. The Yeti, however, is powering all of our user points, such as our heater, our cabinet lighting, our ceiling lighting, our USB bank, and everything else. So it's a great option for a modular build in order to get your build on the road in phases. Welcome back. So where we left it was the power panel was installed. Customer came back for phase 2 so that we could install this kitchen cabinet. Now, this kitchen cabinet has a sink with water. We went ahead and put in a 22-gallon over-the-wheel well water tank, and we moved that switch panel from what was on the power panel wall into the front of the cabinet, along with the heater thermostat that he has. Now, this is an unfinished cabinet. Customer's going to take it back and paint it himself. And we have our Yeti unit inside, as well as a drain through the floor and a hidden kick plate that drains, that passes that drain through. So this is our unfinished kitchen cabinet, our small mini piece that has removable and replaceable shelves, as well as a removable door as well. Come visit us at roostfans.com for more info.